Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up AutoPay on T-Mobile. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set up AutoPay on T-Mobile because every time you set up AutoPay, you save $5 per line. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go ahead and log on to the T-Mobile app. Next, once you're logged on, you want to go ahead and the bottom right hand corner, click on Manage. Now, once you are on this page, you want to go ahead and click on Manage AutoPay. Once you click on Manage AutoPay, you should see the option to go ahead and connect your payment method and set up AutoPay. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up AutoPay on your T-Mobile app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next